Hi viewers, in our last lesson we talked about flirting in Nigerian Pidgin English. Today, we want to talk about deciding where to meet. What are some phrases that you can use to decide where to meet in Nigerian Pidgin English? Come along with me. These are some phrases for deciding where to meet in Nigerian Pidgin English. So where we go meet? How about for your hotel? How about for my house? I fit pick you. Which time make I pick you? E dey up to you. Wetin dey convenient for you? Shey you know Continental Kitchen Restaurant? I go meet you there by 12 for afternoon. I go meet you there by 12 p.m. If anything change, just let me know. Call me or text me if anything change. So it go be Friday night now. I go dey expect to see you. These are phrases that you can use to decide where to meet someone in Nigerian Pidgin English. See you in my next video. Bye for now.